Welcome back to my YouTube channel, dolls. In today's Vlogmas video, I'll be showing you how to do some gel nails at home. As you guys can see, I'm starting off by filing my nails. I'm just trying to shape my nails. At the moment, my nails are not in the best of conditions because I've had to trim them a couple of times because they were breaking. So as you can see, I'm just filing them so that I can kind of create a shape, somewhat of a square shape or whatever I can do with what I have. But that's what I'm basically doing. And then I'm going to move on to filing the top of my nails just to smoothen out and get rid of any ridges or anything of that nature. That's just an important part when you are going to do your gel nails, because you want the application of the gel to really adhere well to your nails. So it's really important to file them down and smoothen any any rough textures that is on your nails, and to get rid of uneven edges. Thinking of you, thinking of you, thinking of you, thinking of you, thinking of you. Once we are done with filing, I'm going to move on to just applying some nail remover on a cotton pad and just wiping over my nails just to get rid of any like fluff from the filing, just making sure that there isn't any product and my nails are completely dry. So that's what I'm just moving on to doing. Then we are going to start the process of the gels. So the first gel nail polish that we're going to be using is the base coat, and this is what it looks like. And all I'm just doing is applying it to my nails. And then what you want to do is you want to make sure you really work quickly with this product. Once you've applied it onto each nail, you want to put your nails underneath the UV lamp. It is so important for you guys to use a UV lamp to do your gel nails. That's what's going to make the nail polishes dry quicker and adhere to your own nails effectively. So you need to use a UV lamp. You can get some on Amazon. I purchased mine from Amazon, and I'll put the link in the description box below. So that's what these nail polishes they need a UV lamp. They actually say it when you do buy them. So that's what I'm just doing. I'm just applying the base coat, then putting it under the lamp so that it can dry. I put it for a recommended time of 90 seconds. It's 90 seconds to 120 seconds. So what I just did was I put it under for 90 seconds, then I put it again for another 30 seconds, so that I make sure that it's 120 seconds. So my timer has got 30 seconds, 60 seconds and 90 seconds, so it kind of makes it easier in terms of setting it. So you just put it underneath there and just hold on tight until it's dried completely, and then we're going to move on to the next step. The next step, we are going to be actually applying the main color. The main color that I'm using is a reddish gel nail polish, and what I'm doing again is I'm just applying that gel nail polish and taking your time, because another thing is you want to work with the gel nail polish whilst it's wet. So if you have made mistakes or you've kind of gone over your nail bed and the nail polish is like bled slightly, you're able to wipe it, but once you dry it and put it underneath, you can't kind of like remove that nail polish, because it is a gel nail polish and it will last for ages. So whatever mistakes you make, please make sure you have a cotton wool at this point in time, because it will be definitely helpful for when you have those mistakes. So I'm just applying the nail polish just as normal as you'd apply your normal nail polish, but just making sure I remove any excess off the edges. What I did is I first went in with one coat of the red nail polish, put it under for 90 seconds, took it out again, did another coat of the red nail polish, because I just wanted it to look much more, vibrant and much more red, rather than just applying one coat. But obviously it's up to everyone and your preference, but that's what I did. And then I just put it underneath the lamp for 90 seconds once again, and then took it out. So last but not least, we apply the top coat. The top coat helps to cure and keep the nails lasting for a long time. So that's what I'm going ahead and applying, and then I'm going to put it again underneath the UV lamp for another 90 seconds, and then you should be good to go. But if you want to be extra sure and definitely sure that your nails are dry, I would put them again for another 30 seconds, and then they should be dry and ready to go. Super easy, guys, not difficult whatsoever, and it really keeps your nails looking good for like 3 weeks, which I absolutely love, because I'm always like wanting my nails to look decent, and this is the best way that I can do it at home, especially right now whilst it's COVID, can't get my nails done. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll put everything in the description box below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye dolls.